It's now still raining heavily, and we are being trapped at the campsite. This is the Karak Shilinmen campsite. We are still trapped here. So all of us are gathering at this so-called cafe dining area because of higher ground level. And the rooms that we were supposed to stay has already been flooded. So maybe I'll show you what is going on. If you can see, if only you can see, it's a room. It's already flooded. So we are waiting the rain to stop, but very unlikely. I would say very unlikely the rain will stop. Based on the weather forecast we check online, it's gonna be raining heavily until tomorrow afternoon. So that's not good for us. If the rain continue to rain and the water level is still continue to rise to where we are right now, the person in charge or the campsite manager will bring us to higher ground, or transfer us to higher ground somewhere, I don't know where, but he should know.